can't hug our families or really anything, but at least we have Vlogmas.
Absolutely beautiful day not to leave the house. That is because we're getting a massive snowstorm today. Catch me in bed. Unfortunately, I have to go run a mile. I don't want to, but I have to. Oof. Happy Vlogmas. Day 24! Ew, that was gross. Do you see that? Those are not ideal running conditions. It's coming down hard. I don't know if you can see. Look at the hot dog for reference. Yet, here we go. Oh! I'm already going.
No, you're not.
I can't even wrap my head around the fact that this is happening right now. It's a blizzard.
I'm hiding behind this tree. I'm not gonna freeze my butt off. You're half done?
Alright, Ann, way to go!
Sprint! Sprint! Close your eyes and sprint! Why is your face so red? You're a tomato.
That was terrible.
How do you feel?
See, I'm not so much tired.
It was just the weather.
Yeah, I'm just cold. There's icicles on my face. I can't feel my face. I can't feel my toes. So not only was it like horrible running it, but walking home might have been worse. Bless that fire, honestly. Alexa, no. But walking home was like a 25 minute walk. All win the entire way. It was so bad. It's literally covered in ice. My shoes were soaking. Oh my gosh.
Sizzler?
Yeah?
That's called getting things done.
No.
That's called feeling alive. That's called not being numb.
I'm in
That's
numb.
that's called being one with nature. Twizzler, this is a high. No, Twizzler, this is a high no drug could replicate. Come here.
So I was on the couch for a very, very long time, if that's not evident by my appearance. Plus, it's a snowstorm, so I mean, it's like I'm either on the couch or I'm in bed. You rotate. Before I go for my second round of being on the couch, I should do something somewhat productive. We're going to pay my car insurance for the year. Let's go drop some major coin on preventative care for my car. All right, paid my car insurance. That's enough productivity for the rest of the day. Here's me back again, just looking like this, but I just have to pop it and say real quickly, there are not many things that trigger me. Actually, there probably all are. Snowflake. But one of them that really is when people put dry seasonings on salad. Now, I'm not talking like a moist salad where it's like the seasonings could like attach to the dressing or something. I'm talking like pouring like garlic salt on a dry bed of leaves. Excuse me, I know white people, we don't exactly season our food properly, but there's no way you need to be seasoning spinach. There just isn't. Especially when there's nothing for it to grip to. It's just gonna fall to the bottom of your plate or your bowl. And it's just the thirst afterwards. Sorry. Bye now. So I'm in the 3 season and I bet Lucius, I told him, I dare you to sleep out here because this room is not heated. We just have a fireplace and then we keep the door open, which leads to the basement, which is heated. So I'd say it's about 50 degrees in here, but it's the coldest night of the year. He took me up on my challenge. He said, as long as you make the bed, I will try to make it through the night. Literally, it's a blizzard, a snowstorm. There's 70-mile-an-hour winds in a city like 20 minutes from us. The power might go out. Yeah, this is a vibe.
It's what we call a 5.5.
Yeah, Lucy, if times get tough, you can You can always find your way back home.
Yeah, just like sis.
Yes.
Has done
Sis
10
has moved home 8 times.
Oh, 5.5.
Oh, with the Christmas lights out there? Hello, folks. Coming to you from my bed once again. I don't remember the last time I've had such a lazy day in the best way possible. This hair is just... I look like George Washington. Being in a blizzard, it just forces you to stay home. Do with that what you'd like, but it was absolutely amazing. I wanted to share my Christmas wish list. Riveting stuff. For my family, if I don't tell my aunts or parents what I want for Christmas, they get like annoyed because like, what are you gonna buy? Especially this year because all shopping was pretty much online. So just try to make it very, very simple. Andrew Cuomo's book. I was thinking about it and I was like, okay, if he's writing that book like simultaneously during the pandemic, it's like, I don't know if that's a great use of time. Like, obviously, he has 24 hours a day. He doesn't need to be a governor 24 hours of the day. And that's, like, a bad mentality to have, that we expect leaders to be working nonstop. But he probably just, like, writes a book instead of watches Netflix at night, which is totally fine. Yeah, I don't know. It was just kind of like, how'd you come up with a book while being governor? Promised Land by Obama. I think I have all his books. I have Michelle's book. My Own Words, RBG, Queen. Oh, I asked for an air fryer. Yep, an air fryer. A vacuum. This is thank you TikTok. But there's this vacuum on TikTok that literally is like a magic wand. And it's called the Green Little Bissell. I just want that. Like, I want to vacuum everything. I want to vacuum my car. I want to vacuum everything. And I think that'd be so satisfying. Markers. Like, literally just like Crayola markers. I like to draw. And like when I journal, I like to use markers to make it look pretty and stuff. Soy candles from Winewicks. If you don't know, it's a really cool website where they make soy candles out of recycled wine bottles. So it's like a win-win. You get bomb smelling candles and you get to reuse a wine bottle. So I'll link them down below. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Peace.
Oh.